It was an excellent experience. We drove away from Baroda to this farm at Jambughoda. They have provided excellent cars and we have a very good driving experience throughout the way.
I think the special moment was when we were doing the Mughal motif paintings. It was going back into our childhood days where there was summer vacation and we used to sit at home and do the painting. So it was an amazing experience with that.
When we went to a small weekend getaway and we had multiple activities in the daytime, and by the evening we had an amazing activity called the sound healing. And it was so relaxing, it was so amazing that it was altogether different experience, and looking forward for the same next time. Thank you.